Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner, and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, with signals, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2016 Mazda CX-5 boasts a nicely trimmed cabin, excellent safety ratings, a smooth and quiet ride, comfortable seats, and good visibility. This Mazda has 19-inch dark graphite machined aluminum alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Mazda is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, rain sensing wipers, and a nice black grille with chrome accents to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Mazda has automatic full-time all-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 26 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Mazda only has 40,841 miles on it. At the back of the Mazda, you can see the antenna, the lip spoiler and the rear wiper, along with the quasi-dual exhaust, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. The cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Mazda has been very well taken care of. Passengers use the fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice metal look interior accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable with heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. The Mazda is also equipped with blind spot monitoring, door bends, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express up and down. This Mazda has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with a Bose 9-speaker sound system. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. The advanced system even has voice command. You also have dual zone climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as a lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car at any time. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.